Is your Fire Stick not working, freezing, or just stuck on a black screen? Don't worry. You're about to fix it in minutes. Welcome to TechVibes. Let's get your Fire Stick back to normal fast. This issue usually happens because of software glitches, overheating, weak power supply, or network problems. The good news is you don't need to be a tech expert to fix it. Step 1. Restart your Fire Stick the right way. Don't just unplug randomly. Hold the select and play buttons together on your remote for about 5 seconds. This forces a proper reboot. If your remote isn't responding, unplug the Fire Stick from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary bugs instantly. Step 2. Check your power source. Most people make this mistake. Plugging the Fire Stick into the TV USB port is not enough power. This causes freezing, lag, or random restarts. Always use the original power adapter and plug it directly into a wall outlet. This alone fixes a huge percentage of issues. Step 3. Fix Wi-Fi connection problems. If apps are not loading or buffering, your internet might be unstable. Go into your network settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. If possible, restart your router as well. Also, keep your Fire Stick closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi extender for better signal strength. Step 4. Clear app cache to boost performance. Over time, apps like Netflix or YouTube store temporary files that slow everything down. Go into your apps section, select the app, and clear cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. This simple step can make your Fire Stick feel brand new again. Step 5. Fix overheating issues. If your Fire Stick gets too hot, it will lag or stop working. Make sure it has space around it and is not stuck behind the TV with no airflow. You can also use an HDMI extender to move it away from heat. This improves performance instantly. Bonus pro tip: if nothing works, reset your remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, then reinsert the batteries and pair it again. This solves many hidden remote issues that people overlook. Now your Fire Stick should be working smoothly again. If you still face any issue, drop a comment below and I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick and powerful tech fixes. Stay smart, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.